Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you what to do if the USB port isn't working on your Alienware Aurora 16. First, check for hardware issues by running the Dell Support Assist application on your laptop. If you don't have it, download it from the official Dell Support website. In this app, select Scan Hardware. Click Start, and this will scan your entire hardware, including the motherboard and connected USB ports. Wait until the scan finishes. Once the scan is complete, check the history page to see the hardware scan details. Now check whether the USB controller and other USB components passed. If they passed, they're working properly. If not, your device needs repair. To proceed with troubleshooting, try using a different cable for your USB port. Also check the other USB ports on your laptop. If the cable doesn't work with any of them, it's most likely a cable issue, not your laptop. You can also update the USB drivers on your PC by going back to Dell Support Assist and checking for updates. This will automatically find the latest drivers for your PC, which you can quickly install. This updates drivers for everything, including your chipset and USB ports, which might resolve the issue. Or maybe you're using your USB ports for purposes they don't serve. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this helps, please consider subscribing, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.